If you're a solo or small firm lawyer, I've got a question for you. What happens to your clients and their files if, starting tomorrow, you can no longer practice? I know it's not the cheeriest thought, but it is a question you can't afford to ignore. You see, succession planning isn't just about planning for your retirement. It's about protecting your clients in case of an illness, incapacity, or even an unexpected death. Without a designated successor, your clients could be left in limbo, and your estate could eventually even be exposed to one or more malpractice claims due to overlooked matters or missed deadlines. This is why succession planning is so important, and it all starts with designating a successor attorney. Choosing the right successor is a lot like choosing a good babysitter, but for your life's work. Look for someone who is trustworthy, competent, and can be available when needed. To help you with this, the following are 5 key things to keep in mind. The first is professional compatibility. This person should understand your area of practice. For example, a probate lawyer might not be the best fit if your practice is entirely criminal defense. Second, they should be trustworthy and ethically grounded. Look for someone with a reputation for integrity and civility, and is someone who also has a solid client communication skill set. The third is availability. When called upon, your successor will need to be able to step in quickly. Thus, choosing someone whose practice is such that they would be unable to make time to fulfill the duties of a successor attorney would not be a wise decision. The fourth is proximity. It's going to be a lot easier if they're local, because this person will need access to your office and files. And finally, there's no reason why the duties of a successor can't be shared. If finding one individual proves to be problematic, perhaps a small group of 3 to 5 attorneys can agree to step in and share the load whenever called upon by the needs of another member of the group. Once you've designated a successor, introduce this person or group to your staff, if you have any, and make sure they know how to reach your successor should it ever become necessary. In a perfect world, it won't be, because you will be fortunate enough to be able to retire and have the time and satisfaction of winding down your practice or transferring it to an excited buyer. Of course, since life doesn't always go as planned, designate a successor and rest easier knowing that you've done all you can to make sure your clients are well taken care of, just in case life takes an unexpected turn.